Hey guys, Marsha Gaming here. Just before I start the video, I just want to tell you guys that I've got a new monitor. You can see this is full 1920 by 1080 screen. Wallpaper. I'll if you guys want to know what this is, then go in the description. I guess I'll tell you. But I just want to tell you guys I've got a new monitor, so gonna get full HD quality now, guys. And you're also going to just see more because I've got a bigger screen. Do you want to also see this weird box that was usually at like this, like that in the screen? So all you'd see is this, and you wouldn't see any of that. So yeah, guys, enjoy the video. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up FIVEM and how you go around doing it. If you don't know what FIVEM is, it's basically a roleplay plugin, which it doesn't permanently change your GTA. You can still use GTA, but it creates basically a different version of GTA. And you roleplay on it, so you can join servers, you can roleplay, be your own character, get your own car. You have serious roleplay where you have to earn everything, and then you have semi-serious where you can spawn some things in using a mod menu, and then you just get non-serious where basically, well, it's still they expect you to RP, but you spawn absolutely everything in through your menu. So just before I start, guys, I just want to tell you guys, if you have a pirated version of Grand Theft Auto, then you're a bad person, because you should probably support Rockstar because it's a great game, and B, you can't do this at all, because if you'll get issues, you won't be able to install FIVEM, and if you ever get a issue, you won't be able to fix it, because to fix the issue, half the time you just go to your Grand Theft Auto directory, go to properties, go to local files, and then you verify the integrity of the game cache. So, first, guys, you must have Grand Theft Auto 5 installed on your computer. I will leave a link in the description if you want to go ahead and buy that. But for now, we're just gonna go on to the tutorial. So guys, you can see the lovely rain's gone now, and we're on this website, FIVEM.net. I'll leave a link in the description for this, and what you want to do. So they also allow you to download a server, which is non-commercial, and rent a server, which is, you guys don't want to do that. I will save that for another tutorial. So they have all these things like forums, so if you get in trouble, or if you do something, like if your game breaks, you go in FIVEM discussion. Oh no, it says no help. You go technical support, it crashes randomly, you want to do how to blah blah blah. So all this, you can also have that, but the main thing that you want to do is FIVEM.net. Okay, it's not loading properly, which is just lovely. Come on, FIVEM. Come on. Come on. You've got this, FIVEM. Well, guys, it turns out that it's loaded, but it's just not really loaded properly. The HTML thing's not working. So just click the download button. It will be around down there for you guys. Click I agree. And then it'll download. What you want to do is you want to save file. Then you want to go to downloads, wherever. If you're on Chrome, it will be down here. Don't know about Opera. Mozilla Firefox will obviously be here. And Internet Explorer, I think it will just come up with run or something. Oh, it worked. Finally. Muhaha. And then you go download, open this. And then it'll go blah blah blah. It'll do thing. And it'll do it'll install it for you, basically. So what you do now, oops, why is that there? Don't know. So what you do, you find your directory. It's usually in this PC, and then it's there, FIVEM application. So you do this, you do Windows key and R, then you do percent app data. Oh god, that's not percent, that's and. You do percent app data percent. Do that. You go roaming, and then you scroll. I believe, yeah, you go app data. You click on the app data, then you go local, go FIVEM, and you go FIVEM application data. And then I'd probably recommend right clicking this or just dragging it onto your pin access, like just putting it there. That's what I did. And then you want to just, this will be where your directory is. But if you go onto the FIVEM, you can go fivem.exe and just click on that. And you'll launch FIVEM. So it'll be like this. Just hang on a minute, guys. Let's get this loaded up. So we're on. By the way, guys, if you're ever going to launch FIVEM, just to verify that it's not a pirated version, you have to go to your taskbar and you have to launch Steam before you open FIVEM, because it's basically like launching Grand Theft Auto. And then you can go to the servers. You see, I would definitely recommend joining a DOJ server. Just put DOJ. There's things like these, Blue Coat Networks, copsrp.com. There's also one from a YouTuber I think I usually play on. I think it's called Mayfair County Roleplay. I'm not sure where it is. It's gone off my servers. So yeah, guys, but before you go on one of them servers, we need to do something. And like I mentioned at the start of this video, we need to get you guys a mod menu. So you see I've got it here. I'll leave a link in the description for that for you guys. But what you do is you go lambda menu, just Google it. Lambda.menu doesn't work anymore. And then it will say the first option, lambda menu releases FIVEM. Make sure it's on forum.fivem.net. Make sure it's not a sketchy link, which it shouldn't have if you search it on Google. And then it will say here. So here are all the controls. You might want to read this. But the best thing is that I like about this, you can read lm-config.xml for controls, and you can edit the controls. So if you don't want to use your numpad keys to navigate, you could use your arrow keys, and you can change that in there. So you also have installation here, but I'll move it through. I'll go through it with you guys. So if you click download here, it'll just do a nice little pop-up and bring this for you. And you press open and go lambda menu and it'll say how to install and all this. So what you want to do is, it does say on here, it says move the lambda menu.asi file to FIVEM application data, and then plugins. And then you want to move both of them. So what you want to do, guys, is we'll go back to our old place, back to where we was earlier, and then you want to go to plugins. And then you want to drag both of them. It does say there to be for the... Wait, no, it's actually my bad about that, guys. You get the lambda menu ASI, drag it into plugins. Well, I've already done that. And then you go to FIVEM application data, and you get the LM config, and then you drop that in there. I've already done this as well. So once you've done that, you can also, it's an XML document file, so it will load up in whatever, usually this. But there are loads of things here, so you can edit this actually, edit the code. So, oh, hang on a minute, let's just, right, let's extract this to our desktop, and then I'll load it up for you guys. So we just do this. Launch it. Oh, oops. And then edit with Notepad++. So it says menu right value numpad 6. So if I want up, oh, I don't want it to be this. I want it to be arrow underscore up, or something like that. You just Google the all the things, all the names for your keyboard keys like this. But you just do that. You can edit that if you want. Personally, I don't really find the need to. Be aware though, guys, some people do disable these menus. So yeah. So I'll just go and load up my FIVEM and I'll show you guys what it's all about. Do this, guys. It will say loading and blah blah blah. Oh god, this might be copyrighted, so I'm just gonna skip the loader menu, guys. So yep, make sure you read the rules of the server. Okay, I've gotta go. So guys, usually you'll spawn somewhere weird. You see here I spawned at Franklin's house. You're like, oh, why am I this weird player model and not Michael or Trevor or Franklin or anything like that? So if you press F1 on your keyboard, or if you have a mouse like a razor or something and you've redirected the keys, you can press that on your mouse. F1, it will load up this menu. So use your numpad 2 to go down, 8 up, 4 across and 6 across. I'll just show you there. 4 is left and 6 is right. So there are many cool options. You can change all the like things. So here we can put a nice hippie hat on him. Change his jacket, put a nice jacket on him. Change his legs, or put him in some shorts, things like that. You can also change like the skin color and the beard of the characters. But I would recommend, if you want to get the maximum customization, go to players, go to MP male, which stands for multiplayer male, or you can be female, depends. And then you press that, and then you modify the skin textures, and there are much more options you can see there in the brackets. I have lots of saved configs. As you can see, I've got 2 pages. And see, if you customize them right, you get things like this, or this, or this, or you get a lot of them. Some of them don't work and they make you invisible. See, I can see this, but other people cannot see me. Like military, things like that. Also with vehicles, you can do all the customization. I will warn you though, with the lambda menu, some DLC vehicles cannot be spawned. If you want to check that, you can go vehicle spawner, spawn by vehicle name, Google the model name. So I'll put Voltic 2, and you see that some servers blacklist them, but you can do things like Ruiner, and it will just spawn in. Or you can navigate through the menu. By the way, this is the Mayfair County roleplay server that I was talking about earlier. Or you can, most servers ban supercars, but just to make it so it's not too long for you guys, I'll just get on my way now. So have a good day, guys. Make sure that you comment if you want to see more tutorials like this. If you have any suggestions, please do comment. I did see someone that suggested guns and custom gun sounds, so also I'll have a look into that. So I'll see you all in the next episode. Have a good day.